Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter. Today we're going to be reviewing an external USB 3.1 RAID enclosure. Now, this one is going to be pretty cool and pretty fast because it uses the Type-C. Let's do a quick unboxing of this and also demonstration of the performance of how fast this bad boy can go. This is the accessory box. This is the chassis. I've already equipped it with two 3 terabyte Hitachi hard drives. So if you look carefully, this is the front of it, okay? And the hard drives just slide out like so. And they're hot pluggable, by the way. And the back has the connections. So you have the power, the USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C, and a knob to switch from RAID 0, RAID 1, JBOD, and single. So it comes with everything, which is actually, this kit, again, I'm gonna give this the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, just because I need something that was high performance, but believe it or not, it's quite impressive, even leaving it as a standard, RAID 1 or a single drive. So here's the power supply, 12 volts at 3.3 amps. The cable that comes with this is a Type A to a Type-C. Now this is really cool. Comes with a screwdriver, okay? It even comes with a little tiny screwdriver for the selector. This little screwdriver is to move the selector for a JBOD, RAID 1, RAID 0, or single. That's what this is for. And it also comes with a reset key, if you want to call it, a little pin that goes into the pinhole, which you're going to need when you set up the drives. It also supports 2.5-inch drives too, and regular, screws for the 3.5-inch drive. Now, what's really interesting is that this is what's left over, and that's pretty much it. So let's go check out the performance. Wasn't that really interesting? The performance of this thing is actually pretty impressive. I recommend it 100%. So if you're looking for an external device and you needed some sort of RAID configuration, this is the first Type-C 3.1 Gen 2 external drive I've seen that performs really well. If you ever wanted to do M.2, they have a converter that goes from 2.5 to M.2, and that'll really smoke and fly on this device if you needed something like that. So anyway, guys, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. Now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,